Hey guys, welcome back. Just a little quick one. Time to service the air compressor and put a new filter in. Now on this particular model, there's two 1/4-inch screws here on the top. You just have to take out. Pretty simple. And this little plate comes off like so, and here's the filter in here. Yeah, that's pretty bad shape. Now, let me go grab a new one. Alright, so my compressor just takes one of these felt filters and it just slips in the front here, and that cover holds it in place. Then I'm going to give this a little wipe out around the edge here before I put it in. Alright, so it just fits in the front here in this little compartment, just like that, up against the casting, and the lid goes back on just like that. And I'll throw them two screws back in. And there you have it. Ready for another 100,000 miles.